the Chicago Bulls defeated the Cleveland Cavaliers. Now, I'm not going to lie, the Chicago Bulls needed this win. They needed this win because throughout the season, they never beat the Cavaliers. Not during the Halloween, not during Martin Luther King. They lost at Chicago and at Cleveland. So tonight, they got this win tonight, which is good. They needed this win. They really needed it really bad. Derrick Rose came through tonight. He scored like at least 30 points. Derrick Rose did his thing tonight. I'm not even gonna lie. He did his thing tonight. And if Rose could play like that throughout this season and to the playoffs, the Bulls will be fine. They'll be fine. But Rose needs to play like this. And that's what I don't like. Rose doesn't play like this on a everyday basis. And we all know we want Derrick Rose help using his legs. You know, he's not being the same explosive Derrick Rose that we all know and love. But Rose needs to play like this. From now to the playoffs. He needs to play like this. From now to the playoffs. If he doesn't play like this, they're not going to get far to the playoffs. And the way how Rose was playing tonight, like I said, he went all. He did his thing tonight. But he needs to play like this on a consecutive level. He needs to play like this every single night. After the All-Star weekend is over and stuff like that, he needs to play like this. The same night he beat the Cleveland, he needs to play like that. And that's how they're going to win, if Rose steps up. If Rose can step up, they'll be fine. And Rose doesn't step up on a daily basis. He only steps up when it's needed. I mean, come on. I bet during the Sacramento Kings game, I mean, he did this and that, but it felt like the Cavs game, he did more. He did more. He made he just made it look easy. He made everybody look silly out there. He just made the Cavaliers look silly. And Rose needs to play like this. And that's just my opinion. He needs to play like this. And not only that, can I just say one thing real quick? I know some of y'all looking at LeBron James. Yeah, we all know he committed a lot of turnovers, blah, 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 blah. But listen, I bet LeBron is just looking at y'all as like he don't give two fucks about what happened tonight. Because at the end of the day, who's really trying? I mean, the Cavs don't really need this win. Even though it's important for the Cavs to win, but it's not that important. Because it's important for the Bulls. They need this win more than the Cavs. Because the Cavs beat them twice. So it's like, why try so hard? Not only that, the All-Star is coming tomorrow. So it's like, we're all trying to have fun. We're trying to chill, relax, kick back, you know, enjoy the All-Star weekend. No one doesn't care about this game. LeBron looking at y'all, he doesn't care. Kyrie probably doesn't care. I mean, they still got to do what they have to do. But, you know, they're not really trying that hard. And I'm watching the game. LeBron just laughing. He don't care about this game. He doesn't care. And even he committed like a lot of turnovers. I'm not gonna lie. LeBron committed a lot of turnovers. But like I said, it's the All-Star. I mean, why try so hard? Why break a sweat? Why do sweat and tears for this game? It's the All-Star. It's the All-Star weekend. Nobody's not gonna try hard. I mean, why force yourself? Why break and sweat and tears, all that other stuff? Why do all that? And then when it's all said and done, you lose. There's no reason to try hard. It's the All-Star weekend. We all try to have fun, try to chill, kick back. I mean, I ain't trying that hard. The Bulls need to try hard because they needed this win. Because if the Cavs would have won, here's the thing. If the Cavs would have won, they would move up to number 3. And the Bulls would be number 4. Right now the Bulls are the Bulls are still number 3, and the Cavs, I think they're number 4. I think hopefully they're not number 5. Now I think they're still number 4. But yeah, man, the Bulls need this win more than the Cavs, so it wouldn't even matter. If the Cavs win, if they would have won tonight, they would move up to number 3. But you know, the Bulls needed this game. So yeah, man, that's all I want to say. This is your boy Alex. You know, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Deuces.